Welcome back. When you've gone through the extra step of setting up your email, verifying it, and then making sure that your DKIM settings are verified and that your mail from domain matches your SPF settings, you'll then be in a position to take steps toward increasing your deliverability. And one of the things that you can do is you can make sure that any links that you create inside of your email, whether you're doing a promotion or whether you're doing some kind of notification, that you use the domain in the email that you're actually using or the domain that has been verified. This will lend itself to the authority of your email, and along with your content can help your email achieve deliverability. Now you can increase the reputation of the domain executing links and using the domain in your emails by using a dedicated IP. Now, using a dedicated IP is not a necessity with Amazon SES, but it can increase the likelihood that your emails will get delivered. In order to do this, you will come to your left side panel. You will then need to open up a limits increase case. You do, when you're submitting your application, what you're going to want to do is write in here in the use case description that you're requesting a dedicated IP, and you'll let them know which domain you're requesting one for. Once you've done that and you're matching this with the links that you're using, you're increasing your opportunities to be inboxed by most cloud-based email services. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.